so I am out. My doctor did an EKG of my heart and it was coming back abnormal, so she recommended that I go to the ER because it had changed since my last EKG on Saturday. I don't think I'm ready to talk about what exactly is going on, but I was given the wrong dosage by my pharmacy and it's been affecting my heart, is basically what's going on. So right now it's just a really sensitive thing that the doctor is sending me to the ER to go and check for any little thing. I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but when it's something like your heart, you cannot be too careful. So I'm already out and I'm going to go home, but it's late and I haven't eaten. So I'm going to get something to eat and I'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow. All it is matter, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes, do you feel the same? Only thing that matters, without change, I will let you into my mind's deep. The color that falling tears that have been long asleep. Lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Oh my gosh!
It's a present for Jackson! Okay, close your eyes. Come over here. It's a present! Hold on, close your eyes. Close your eyes. It's for Jackson! Sit down. Sit down. Okay, ready? Open the present.
Jackson.
Open the present. What's in there? What's in there? It's a puppy! You got a puppy!
That's what you get for me.
What?
I got you another puppy, another present. You like it?
It's a toy.
It's not a toy. It's a toy. It moves. No? You like it? We can return it.
You want to take his batteries out? Are you ready for your first YouTube clean with me?
Yeah, more practice cleaning than you do, baby.
Oh yeah?
I'll show you.
Should I set up the stand right here for you? You can make YouTube dads a category. So do you want me to add some fun music to the background for you? You could do a voiceover.
Stay, mess, what do you think? What is
Liam.
mess? Stay.
You need to ask your mom.
I want to mess.
Alright, good job.
You will always be there, there's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there, heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. picking up the speed. Oh.